Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a cotton white 2012 Hyundai Tucson GLS, stock number 18M156A. Starting up front, you can see this is in great shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim. We'll get a close-up there on the tread of the tires. You do have Fusion Touring tires. And inside there is a black leather upholstery, and that's in fantastic condition. You do have a cloth inset here, seating for 2 up front, and there is seating for 3 back in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Tucson. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. And then back to the trunk, there is a rear wiper. Inside, you can see it is very clean. That second row seating folds into a 60-40 split, so that'll give you some extra space when needed. And the reason that I'm showing you this Hyundai today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. To the left of the steering wheel, you have traction control and hill descent control. And then on the steering wheel itself, you've got audio controls. There are cruise control buttons here. On the the rear view mirror here, you actually have HomeLink garage door opener buttons. You have Bluetooth capabilities as well as capabilities for XM satellite radio. There is a CD player and an AM/FM radio. Underneath of that, you have climate controls. There are buttons down here for heated front row seating. You do have an auxiliary port and a USB port. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. Your engine is a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and that in highway mileage gets you around 27 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Tucson or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.